Greece's prime minister is in Berlin today to meet German Chancellor Angela Merkel. They'll be discussing the growing fallout over Greece's economic crisis. George Papandreou says Greece isn't asking the EU for a bailout, but he does want EU countries to pledge their support to reassure markets. Now, Greece recently announced plans to raise $6.5 billion through cuts and tax increases. Unions are holding even more demonstrations and strikes today, disrupting rail and air travel and causing giant traffic jams. Well, global stocks are in positive territory today ahead of the February jobs report here in the U.S. European shares extending gains for the sixth consecutive day, led higher by mining shares. Asian stocks end the week higher, with Japan's Nikkei leading the way, getting a boost from exporters thanks to a weaker yen. Investors also gaining confidence after reports that the Bank of Japan will ease monetary policy at its next meeting. And China's premier, Wen Jiabao, held his annual meeting on the state of the nation and its economy. Now, he says the economic outlook for 2010 isn't clear yet, but he does expect the economy to grow 8%. That's compared to last year's figure of 8.7%. He also indicated tighter spending and slower lending for banks. Wen also announced China will sell more than $29 billion worth of bonds to help local governments fund some infrastructure projects. From the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, I'm Carter Evans for CNNMoney.com.